Hindi, mukha akong bangag. Gumano ko. No reaction. So,
Kumusta kayo ni VP Sara?
talaga, how are we?
Yes, opo.
I was always kind to her. I'm really nice naman eh. Pero when Bong had that Bagong Lipunan rally, she came, and my husband, that was supposed to be December eh. Parang to start the new year, o bagong Pilipinas, parang huwag na tayo mag-away, mabait tayo, let's help the people, blah, 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 blah. And na-postpone, ganyan. So I think it was in Feb or March, right? So she went there at 3, and then she went to Davao. And then when she went to Davao, Duterte said, oh, bangag, diba? Imagine a former president calling, bangag. I mean, wow, you had 6 years, why would you call bangag, diba? So, and then the camera panned on her, tumatawa. So, syempre nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, man, I mean, masakit yan. And then when said Duterte, si Sandro, yan, gusto maging prime minister, perpetuate themselves in power. Tapos ako, I would say, binibilang ko ngayong mga oras eh, diba? So, pero tumawa sila. So, parang for me, ano yan, mali yata yan, di ba? Parang you're getting sweldo from the government, di ba? You're supposed to be the alter ego, we're there protecting you, tapos gagawin mo yan? Mali yan eh, you cross the line. And many things, I'm not a hypocrite. O, diyan, may departure time na, di ba? So, nandito ko. Normally, nag-usap kami. So, ayoko. Tapos, sabi ni, somebody went to me, uy, ang ganda mo today. Hindi, mukha akong bangag. Gumano ko. No reaction. So, hindi, bangag. Bangag is I said that the bangag is the word of the day.
Yes.
Talaga, no reaction. So yun, then after that, talaga, I stopped there. I do it again. I mean, that's not right. You don't do that. That's entitled politics. You're in the government. You're the vice president.
Wala bang kahit na maikling sorry man lang after that?
Bad shot na yan sa akin.
Ganun pa.
Unless she says sorry or whatever. Maybe she will. Maybe she crossed the line. And then going down sa Prague, nakita ko siya ulit, di ba? Sabi ni Bong, behave. Sabi ko, wrong person, honey.
Sabi niyo, she crossed the line. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Wala nang reconciliation yan between the...
No, I mean, for me, nasaktan ako because my husband will do everything to protect you. You ran together, di ba? Sama-sama tayo, babangon muli. Pupunta ka sa rally, tatawagan yung presidente mong bangag, di ba you're going to laugh? Tama ba yan? Even Lenny never did that.
Yung inyo pong hipag, si Aimee.
Oo.
What we were expecting then was maybe she would have stood up or defended her.
Maybe you should ask her. I'm just the outlaw. I know what line not to cross.
Pero nasa speaking terms ba kayo?
Well, every Sunday we have a family lunch. Once nga my mother-in-law said, Iya, hindi mo iniimbita si Aimee sa mga Ma'am, ako pa. May group chat kami, lahat sila nandyan. Sabi niya, anong group chat? Ma'am, hindi ko na No, but she's always invited.
Kailan pa kayo huling nagkausap ng civil?
When did we? Christmas, I think.
So yun mga boss, inamin na mismo ni First Lady Lisa Marcos na bad shot na sa kanya itong si VP Inday Sara Duterte. So nagsimula nga ito mga boss nung Bagong Pilipinas rally mga boss. At si VP Inday Sara ay pumunta nga sa prayer rally na ginanap naman doon sa Davao City na pinangunahan nga yan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So napanood pala ni Lisa Marcos ang mga kaganapan doon at para daw natawa itong si VP Inday Sara nung tawaging bangag si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ni FPRRD mga boss. So ngayon nga, ito, lumabas na talaga at sinabi na dito sa interview ni Kato Nying na bad shot na sa kanya itong si VP Inday Sara. So may mga video mga boss na kung saan umaalis itong si First Lady at PBBM sa mga trip sa ibang bansa ay hindi niya na pinapansin itong si BP Inday at dinadaanan na lang niya mga boss. Kahit sa pagtabi ng upuan ay malayo ng agwat nila. So ito na ang umpisa kaya mga boss ng pagkakagalit ng Duterte at itong Marcos family mga boss, at dahil mismo inamin na ni First Lady Lisa Marcos. Pero tinanong ito ng mga media mga boss at wala namang sinagot dito si BP Inday Sara tungkol sa issue na inilabas nga dito ni First Lady. So para sa inyo mga boss, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? At ngayon alam na natin na bad shot na itong si First Lady kay BP Inday Sara Duterte.